friends! Today we're gonna solve the vegetable puzzle. So let's get started. Knowledge Bank 2. Let's see what's inside. We're gonna take out the vegetable puzzle pieces. It's gonna be fun. Mix up all the pieces. Let's get started now. Let's see what's here. Keep all the pieces aside. This seems like a cauliflower. We'll find out the remaining piece of the cauliflower. Okay. I see flour, so let's see. It goes together here. We got the one part completed. This goes here. This goes here. And this goes here. Yay! We got the cauliflower. Cauliflower. Then we have tomato. Let's see where it fits in. We would try to look for other parts first. Alright. We're gonna complete the word tomato. Alright. That's here. We got another vegetable. Tomato. Nice red tomatoes. Let's get to another one. I think that's gonna be potato. And yes, I'm sure this is potato. Let's find out the other pieces. Alright, this should be some part. We got it. A tiny piece left here. Got it. We got the third one. It's potato. These pieces clubbed together make lemon. Let's put them together and let's see if they fit in. We'll keep it aside for now. Let's find other parts of lemon. This looks like lemon. That fits perfectly. All right. We found lemon. These are parts of onions. Let's see where we can get the pieces. We definitely have some more pieces. There we go. Yay! But we need to find the name, which is here. Alright, got it. I see some carrots here. Let's find out carrots. This looks like parts and pieces of carrot. No, it doesn't fit here though. Yes, we got the piece where it says carrots. Of course, we got carrots, but we need some more parts. where does it go? It goes right here. We still have another part left. Where do we put in? Yeah, this goes here. We got carrots too. Now we have peas. Green peas. We got peas too. We got peas. This looks like cucumber. Yes, that's cucumber. And the final piece. Yay! We completed the puzzle. This is cauliflower. This is tomato. This is potato. This is lemon. Peas. Onion. Carrot. And cucumber.